Lesson: Interaction skills. Interaction skills are a critical component of the underlying competencies for certified business analysis professionals. These skills encompass the ability to effectively communicate, collaborate, and facilitate interactions among stakeholders. Business analysts must master these skills to gather accurate requirements, manage stakeholder expectations, and ensure successful project outcomes. This lesson delves into the actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement directly to enhance their interaction skills. One of the foundational aspects of interaction skills is active listening. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. This skill is not just about hearing the words, but also about comprehending the emotions and intentions behind them. Active listening can be enhanced by using the SOLAR technique, which stands for sit squarely, open posture, lean towards the speaker, eye contact, and relax. By adopting this nonverbal communication technique, business analysts can show empathy and support, encouraging stakeholders to express themselves more openly. Effective questioning techniques are another crucial component of interaction skills. Business analysts should employ open-ended questions to gather comprehensive information and closed questions to confirm specific details. The use of probing questions can also be beneficial to delve deeper into particular subjects. The SPIN model, which stands for situation, problem, implication, and need payoff questions, offers a structured approach for business analysts to uncover needs and pain points. By systematically addressing each aspect of the SPIN model, analysts can guide conversations towards actionable insights and solutions. Understanding stakeholder perspectives is vital for effective interaction. Business analysts often encounter diverse viewpoints, and the ability to empathize and adapt communication styles accordingly is essential. The DISC model of behavior, which categorizes individuals into 4 main personality traits, dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness, provides a framework for tailoring interactions. By recognizing these traits, analysts can adjust their approach to better align with stakeholder preferences, enhancing collaboration and reducing potential conflicts. Facilitation skills are also integral to successful interaction. Business analysts frequently lead meetings and workshops, requiring the ability to manage group dynamics and ensure productive outcomes. The facilitation process can be structured using the ORID framework, which stands for objective, reflective, interpretive, and decisional questions. This model guides the facilitator through a series of questions that help participants move from discussing facts to making informed decisions. By applying the ORID framework, business analysts can effectively guide discussions, ensuring all voices are heard and consensus is reached. Conflict resolution is an inevitable part of interaction, especially in complex projects with multiple stakeholders. Business analysts must be adept at identifying the root causes of conflicts and applying appropriate resolution techniques. The interest-based relational approach focuses on separating people from the problem and working together to address underlying interests. By fostering a collaborative environment and focusing on mutual gains, business analysts can resolve conflicts constructively, maintaining positive relationships and project momentum. Effective communication is the cornerstone of interaction skills. Business analysts must convey information clearly and concisely, both verbally and in writing. The 7 C's of communication, clear, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete, and courteous, serve as a guideline for crafting effective messages. By adhering to these principles, analysts can ensure their communications are understood and actionable, minimizing misunderstandings and errors. To illustrate the application of these interaction skills, consider a case study involving a business analyst working on a software development project. The analyst is tasked with gathering requirements from a diverse group of stakeholders, including technical teams, end users, and management. By employing active listening and effective questioning techniques, the analyst uncovers a critical issue with user interface design that was previously overlooked. Using the DISC model, the analyst tailors their communication approach to address the concerns of a dominant project manager, ensuring their feedback is taken into account. During a facilitated workshop using the RIDE framework, the analyst guides the group through a productive discussion, resulting in a consensus on the design changes needed. When a conflict arises between the development team and end users regarding feature prioritization, the analyst applies the IBR approach, focusing on the shared goal of delivering a user-friendly product. The analyst's ability to communicate effectively using the 7 Cs ensures that all stakeholders are informed and aligned, leading to a successful project outcome. Statistics further underscore the importance of interaction skills for business analysts. According to a study by the Project Management Institute, poor communication is a primary cause of project failure, contributing to over 50% of unsuccessful projects. This highlights the critical need for business analysts to develop and refine their interaction skills to drive project success. In conclusion, interaction skills are a fundamental competency for certified business analysis professionals. By mastering active listening, effective questioning, understanding stakeholder perspectives, facilitation, conflict resolution, and communication, business analysts can navigate complex stakeholder environments and drive successful project outcomes. The practical tools and frameworks discussed, such as the Solar technique, spin model, DISC model, ORID framework, IBR approach, and the 7 Cs of communication, provide actionable insights and step-by-step applications for enhancing interaction skills. By integrating these strategies into their practice, business analysts can address real-world challenges and achieve proficiency in this critical area.